Here goes another Jack unboxing where I'm not demonstrating how it works. But I'm about to use it though. Sure, it's excellent. The only reason why I got it was it stood up to Rory and the Trail Mater gang. And if it could stand up to them, it could stand up to anyone. You'll see what those guys do. And first thing that hits me is sealed cartridge bearings in the wheels. What? Yep. Guess it's time to put her together. Gotta do brakes. Rear brakes on my F-150 that I just got. And I order brakes, and guess what I get? I know someone who will get a big kick out of this. George B. Wrenchin, because he was the one who guessed what the F-150 light duty is. 7 lug. And you too, Dakota. That's funny. 7 lug. That's what they send me. Some company, Detroit Axle. I don't know. I shouldn't even have took a chance. Yep, I'm an idiot. Yeah, this thing's pretty burly. Can't wait to mount it in the Tacoma. In the bed. I think it's really cool. Yeah, maybe I'll try to get some video of me using it. I will be using it a lot, being that my Tacoma is really tall, and you know, sometimes you want to jack from the frame. You know, you can't jack from the diff, so you know, you got to use the frame, and that thing has the extension on it. So, and then I got trucks like Mr. Pickup Truck, and then we park it. We have a tow truck out there too sometimes. So, but which is also an F-250, I believe. But yeah, Badlands 3-ton, badass jack. I don't need it for the Harleys. Maybe for the BMW over there, but not for the Harleys. But yeah, nice jack. Look at that sucker. It's beautiful. I mean, only a gearhead thinks a jack is beautiful, but that's all I know. Cars, trucks, and motorcycles. Don't really know anything else. That's my life. Yep. Badlands 3-ton. Next you'll see it in action at some point. Later.